Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of delicious, very simple dessert which is coconut panna cotta. If you like coconut flavor, you will definitely enjoy this dessert. Without further ado, let's get started. These are the ingredients to make coconut panna cotta. Canned coconut cream and coconut milk are the important ingredients to make this dessert. These are available in Amazon and I'll leave the link in the description below. Then we need some sugar, gelatin and condensed milk. I'm going to set the panna cotta in this beautiful looking ramekins. Soak in 1 tablespoon of gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold water for 15 to 30 minutes. In a saucepan, add in 400 milliliters of canned coconut milk. Add in 400 grams of coconut cream. I would highly recommend to use the store-bought one rather than the homemade. In goes half a cup of sugar. Cook all these ingredients at a very low flame. Since we have coconut milk, there are a lot of chances of curdling, so we have to cook it very carefully. Add in 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Stir it continuously so that it doesn't curdle. Panna cotta is an easy dessert and you can play around with a lot of flavors. Now add in the soaked gelatin. Give it a mix so that the gelatin melts. Switch off the flame when the mix is hot. So basically we are not cooking this mix, just heating it so that it is hot enough to touch. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. If you have coconut essence mix, you can add that essence. I have added little essence since this panna cotta mix has gelatin. Strain the panna cotta mix. Panna cotta mix is ready and now it's time to set the pudding. Pour the panna cotta mix into the ramekins. Set the panna cotta in the refrigerator for 6 hours or overnight. Once the panna cotta is ready, I'm going to prepare toasted coconut. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter and add in 1 tablespoon of chopped cashew nuts. Saute to golden brown color. Add in half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Once the coconut turns light golden brown color, add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Saute it nicely and switch off the flame once you get this color. Crunchy, sweet coconut mix is ready now. Look at it friends, the coconut panna cotta is set perfectly. I have refrigerated it for overnight. Now gently demold the panna cotta. This looks so beautiful and jiggly. While serving, garnish it with sweetened toasted coconut. Toasted coconut gives nice crunchy texture to the panna cotta. Do try this coconut panna cotta and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram account or Facebook. Look at it friends, how beautifully the coconut panna cotta has turned out. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.